I mean, you had told me that when I was in Commercial Point, you told me you was gonna call me back, and it was an hour before you even called me back, man. Just please call me back. I don't want to just be up here waiting.
No, sure. I'm calling you back in just 10 to 15 minutes, okay?
All right.
It's 11:16 and I will call you back just for 15 minutes.
All right.
11:30, okay?
All right.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the...
Hey, what it do, YouTube family? Handsome Mother Truck, and we back in this mother sucker, baby. First of all, man, I want to just show y'all, man, how good Bath and Body Works, how good they restaurant look, y'all. Nice little restaurant, real fast, man. Let me show y'all that thing, y'all. Hold on. Check out the walls, man. Check out the walls, man. Check out that door. Check out the sink, man. Hold on. Bath and Body Works soap. Junk smells so good, man. And check out me. And we are all ready to rock and roll, baby. Looking like a black Jesus around this thing. Come on, guys. Let's roll. Hey, what it do, YouTube family? Handsome Mother Truck, and we back in this mother sucker, baby. We slept at the Bath and Body Works receiver last night. Supposed to have a live unload last night, but they insisted that I just drop the trailer instead. I didn't have a problem with dropping it only if they had empty. If they didn't have any empties, then I would rather have got a live unload so that I could still have a trailer and I won't be going through what I'm going through currently. You know what I'm saying? So we're trying to figure out how I'm gonna find the empty. I've already spoke with dispatch. I'm on standby, just waiting to see what's going on, y'all. So we out here in Commercial Point, Ohio, like the Columbus, Ohio area. They gave me like a list of trailers last night, about 5 trailers on the sheet in Reynoldsburg, Ohio location. It's about 5 empties over there. So I'm trying to figure out if dispatch want me to go over there or just, they want me to stay put though. But I've already put that in their ear that I have a sheet of trailers that I can go get like this, like 20 miles away, but they just gotta play it by ear with the dispatch, man, you know. So I'll be back in a minute to update y'all, let y'all know what's going on, baby. Y'all stay tuned. Peace. Hey, what it do, YouTube family? Handsome Mother Truck, and we back in this mother sucker, baby. Anyway, so I just spoke with dispatch finally. They actually want me to finally go over to this place where they got the empties at over here in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. It's about 26 miles away from where I am currently, but we're a little low on our hours. We got about 12 hours left on our 70, and then tonight we're only getting, you know, if you know how to count those together, then you can see that I'm only getting 4 hours back. Recap tonight. So I figure I may as well just do a 34 because I mean I guess I'm gonna have 16 hours total right now. If I just stay here and get my hours back tonight, I get 16 hours, but I'm like a 2-hour drive, 2.5-hour drive back to Indianapolis, Indiana to the yard. So by the time I get there, I had like maybe 13.5 hours left on my 70 or whatever, including the 4 that I'm gonna get back tonight. So that's what makes it 13.5. So I may as well just do a 34 there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over and pick my empty up, go do my 34. You know what I'm saying? Stay attached to my empty while I'm on my 34. And we'll be ready to rock and roll whenever I get off my 34. So I'm gonna make sure I try to vlog something for y'all, man. It's gonna be like a 34-hour reset video. Make sure I update y'all, man. I ain't gonna just leave y'all hanging like that, man. Y'all been rocking with your boy. Y'all been supporting and things like this. So I'm gonna make sure I do something for y'all, man. So Handsome MothaTRUCKA, baby. Let's head over here and get this trailer, y'all. Peace.
sir?
Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good. Where are you picking up from today?
DC, what, 7?
7?
Yeah.
Bath and Body Works?
Yeah.
You been here before?
Yep.
Know where to go?
Yep.
My kind of driver.
I appreciate you. All right. Alright, YouTube family, we done made it over here to Reynoldsburg. We at the other Bath and Body Works finna get ready to go in the shipping office and see if we can get us an empty, man. Last time I was kind of stingy with the trailers, with the empty trailers, even after I brought them a loaded trailer in. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see if we can get a favoritism going on this morning. Let's roll, y'all. Alright, so just like I thought, y'all, we done came way over here. She said they need the empties that they got. Said they ain't got but 2 of them, but people sent me over here last night from the other location. Told me they had like 5 of them. I gave her the piece of paper. She claimed they ain't got none. She said the same thing last time, though, and ended up changing her mind and giving me one, but this time it's different, so it's all good, man. I'm finna hit dispatch up. We might end up having to bobtail back to the yard, though, but hey, man, I ain't finna be riding around all day. I know that, though. I know that for a fact. I ain't finna be riding around all day. I hit y'all back, man, once I done got the word about something and figure out what's going on. Y'all stay tuned. Man, yeah, I got the phone on mute right now, but man, that done gave me a new DM, man. It's so hard to reach this guy. Man, it's hard to reach dude, man. The last DM I had, I could reach him like that. This guy can't reach him. Hey, what's up, Prop? It's Chris. Hey, I'm good. I'm out here at the other location where they gave me the piece of paper with all the other empties on it, and these people up here are saying that the empties that they have, they cannot release them because they say that they're about to be loaded soon. So.
Okay, they are not giving you the trailer.
No.
Okay, just a minute, please. And what time you reach here, sir?
What time did I leave? Who?
What time you reached there, sir?
I just got here maybe about 16 minutes ago.
16. Okay.
16 minutes ago, yeah. So maybe about 10:40, maybe.
Okay, sir. Just a minute, please. Okay, sir. Just hold on. I'm checking for it. Okay. Hold on, please. Hey, Mr. Murphy.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir. I've checked with them, and you need to wait there, sir. Okay. Just give me a few minutes, and once I get any update, I will call you. Okay?
Yeah, you want me to just sit here out, huh?
Sir, you need to wait there, okay? Until I check with them, okay?
What? I just told you what they said. They said that they don't have any empties to give me. So, I mean, you had told me that when I was in Commercial Point, you told me you was going to call me back, and it was an hour before you even called me back, man. Just please call me back. I don't want to just be up here waiting.
No, sir, sure. I'm calling you back in just 10 to 15 minutes, okay?
All right.
It's 11:16, and I will call you back just for 15 minutes.
All right.
11:30, okay?
All right. We just finna sit back, man, and just see what's gonna go on. He said about 10, 15 minutes, so we're gonna hold him to his word and see if he can hold his word, man. Cause from the looks of things, he don't know how to hold his word, so we're gonna see if something gonna change for him. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be back with y'all, man. They just play the waiting game, I guess. I've been doing that all morning. Alright, guys, now didn't I tell y'all he was gonna call back like damn that hour later? Like an hour later, y'all. He just not calling back. He said 15, but I can't knock it, man. He did what he did, so about to go in here again, and he said just go in here and check in again. They should give me another empty this time, so about to go in here and check in, y'all, see what we can do, baby. I fell asleep and everything in the truck waiting on this man. I'm finna go in here and check in, man, and see what kind of luck we can get this time, y'all. See y'all later. Hey, what it do, YouTube family? We back in this trucker, man. Hey, man, I don't need to lie, man. These folks pissing your boy off, man. I've been waiting all morning for an empty. I done came to one location. They not letting no empties go. Call my dispatch again. They can't seem to get nothing situated. They tell me to go back in there again. They're not letting any empties go. I'm constantly saying the same thing over and over. Put me on hold, waiting 30 minutes. Call me back. He forget to call me back. Gotta call him back. Now I gotta go to another location. Then they gonna have there to ask me, can I do a reset can I do a 34-hour in Ohio? Fuck, why would I do a reset in Ohio and I'm trying to get back to Indiana? That don't make sense. I ain't number 3 hours from Indiana. I got the time to drive. Why would I do a reset in Ohio? How much sense does that make? Man, I gotta park this truck for a minute, man. These folks getting on your boy nerve, man. Let roll, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm about to walk in here to this shipping office and see what they got for you, boy. Man, we got our fingers crossed, baby. Got our fingers crossed. Hey, how you doing?
Picking up a load?
Oh, just I need an empty if you got one.
They should be in here probably in the next 5 minutes. There's shift change, but this guy that sits here is the guy you have to deal with. He should be back in about 5 minutes.
Alright.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all. Got the paperwork, man. Got 2 empties here. Get these bad boys, hook up to them with one of them, and we're gonna head to Indianapolis, y'all. Come on, let's roll. Alright guys, so we found one of the empty that was on a sheet of paper. I just get ready to go around and pre-trip it real fast, make sure it's good to rock and roll. And we're gonna be out of here, man, so let's get started. Like I always say, notice I only pull it halfway under the trailer. We're gonna come over here and we're gonna take a look. And you see how high it is, the width or whatever. The little line that you see like a little line across that fifth wheel down there, right there. I kinda like try to match that, so we're just gonna jack it down just a little more and match it up to that. And then I know we'll be flush to the trailer. Alright, so can't see the line no more. Can't see the line no more. So we should be flush once we bag up. Shouldn't be no gap between the trailer and the fifth wheel. So I just got done hooking up the airline. I normally cut my reefer on like that, and I let it boot up. So by the time I get done doing my pre-trip and walk back around, I can look at my Thermo King light and make sure everything good on it. It been done booted up by the time I get around here. So let's go ahead and do this pre-trip on this truck. How my lights work. Only thing we missing, y'all, is the marker lights. The marker lights ain't working up there. Marker lights ain't working. That light over there is working. You know what? I might not have my headlights on. So let me check and see if I got my headlights on, because they could be the problem. So I'm gonna go back over here. I'm gonna go back up here and turn the headlights on, and I'm gonna see if they come on. Yeah, so we just didn't have the headlights on, y'all. We about to open this trailer up and see what's on the inside. Oh my God, y'all get ready. Let's see what's on the inside. So our tandems are pretty much already slid. It's my first time seeing that little thing right there. It's like our little weight thing or whatever. I see Prime a lot with those. See if it'll cut on. It might not cut on because we ain't got nothing in here. But it's I didn't know we had one of them. But anyway, trailer checks out. Our reefer unit works. It's done kicked on. So yeah, y'all, we all hooked up. Now it's time to roll. Let's get it. Need me to open it back? Hey, what it do, YouTube family? Handsome Mother Truck, and we back in this mother sucker, baby. As y'all saw all morning, we was on a scavenger hunt looking for an empty trailer. I also let you guys know that I was gearing up to get ready to do my 34-hour reset also. They asked me that I want to take my reset in Ohio, but I was like, nah, why would I do that when I already did like a 10-hour out there? I ain't want to just stay out there in Ohio. We have a terminal out here in Indianapolis, Indiana. Pretty sure y'all seen it like from time to time in my vlogs or whatever, but we done made it out here to the terminal. That's where we currently are. Got my truck parked right here or whatever. We're gonna stay attached to this trailer right here for the remainder of the 34-hour reset or whatever. When we get done, we're gonna see what we can do, what kind of load we got after that. Like I said, man, I don't know how long this vlog gonna be. I'm gonna edit it up real good, try to figure out what's going on, you know what I'm saying, how long it's gonna be or whatever. I know some of y'all didn't like the short video I just did, but I mean, I be trying to keep y'all, you know, entertained with something. I want to keep, you know, stay consistent with y'all. So I had to just throw that out there. But hopefully this right here gonna be a little longer, you know, at least about 16, 20 minutes, hopefully, or whatever. So, about to get ready to end my day, find me something to get into, find me a good old movie to watch. I already ate, I'm gonna shower, and just relax, man. Until next time, baby, Handsome Mother Trucker. We got this mother sucker, baby. Peace.